Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Soul TV News. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Before to sibongisa lezi insizwa eziphumelelile ukuthi sigcine sifikile lapha regardless of izinto ke ezibe ama issues yabo during the way, and also thankful for abantu futhi ke labantu abakwazile nje ukuthi ke besabalalise yonke lento ekade yenzeka, like ama updates and also ukuthola nje ukuthi ke lezi insizwa lezi zibe nesibindi sokuthi zikwazi ukusuka la zisuke khona zifike la ekade vele zithi ziyakhona, nokwazi futhi ukubezelelana along the way. Leyo nto leyo iyenye yezinto ezikhomba ukuthi ngempela if ever yabo nine journey nihlolisile futhi ukuthi nifike lapho kuleyo destination enifuna ukuya kuyona, well leyo nto leyo isuke iyinto eyisibusiso kakhulu if futhi kakhulukazi nizokwazi ukubambisana. And ngiyazi ukuthi khona nabantu ama stakeholders, private companies, organizations, bonke labo bantu abakwazela ucontribute towards i-success yale genge le noma yalaba fowethu laba abathathu abakade ke bezinikeze i-challenge well ukuthi ke bagcine befikile la kade befisa ukuthi ke beye khona. So congratulations to laba fowethu laba, indeed it's history.